Hi, we are going to show you how to make a rocket from the balloon and straw for cocktails. It can be small one like this. This is going to fly now. Oh, or big one like this. 7 more fun. Boom. To make a rocket from the balloon, we just need straws and some balloons. And it will look like this. Small one or big one like this. And I'm going to show you how to make big one from this balloon. I have big straw, it's kind of this size. And with small one, big balloon will not work. And it should be as big as possible, but not bigger than this diameter. I put it here. And I have to put it to the big distance, like this. Otherwise, if I do just like this, when I blow the balloon, it will go like this and it will not fly straight, it will fly to the side. This is why I need to put it at least 5 centimeters. I use sticky tape to fix it. For big one I do in two layers. One here. And one here. And it looks like this, but this one will not go straight. And to make it stable, I need to put second straw like this. And I use the same sticky tape to fix it. And that's it, it's ready. If you want to make it even more fun, you can make this thing from the paper. And it will look like real rocket. Now let's try it. And it fly up to the ceiling. And if you want to make small one, if you don't have this kind of big one straw, you can use standard straw. And but you need small balloons. Usually they sell it like water balloons, and it comes in the package like this. And this small one, you also need 2 straw. Fix it like this. Cut this part and stick it like this with sticky tape. The final result will be like this, and it will fly as well. You saw how it works. Bye bye, thank you, I hope this will be fun.